Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check your phone number on WhatsApp. To do this, you have just to open your WhatsApp account, and after that go click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. After that, click on settings, and after that click on the top of the screen, and as you can see, it gives you directly your phone number. You can send it to anyone or you can use it like you want. It's the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.